Hello, Toby here, and I'm going to present you with my Aristophanes Sieve communication. So we had to answer 5 questions, and so throughout the video I'm going to be giving you 5 questions. You won't know it, but there will be 5 questions. So if you look at this, you will notice that there are a couple of numbers that don't have anything crossed out. And when it is crossed out, it means that this is color-coded, by the way, so like blue is 3, that it is divisible by the number of the color that it was crossed out. But the ones that aren't crossed out, like the numbers I've just, like 67, 96, 71, those are considered prime. And prime is basically when they don't have any, aren't crossed out. And another easier way to find out if it's prime is if it only has 2 factors. So let's try that out. 67, not 100, but 67 only has 2 factors, 1 and 67, and same with 97 and 71. But another way you might have heard of finding out if a number was prime or not is if it was divisible by 1 and itself. Now that works except for when it comes to 1, because 1 would be considered a prime number then, but 1 is not prime. So instead, you have to say that the number only, if it's prime, it only has 2 factors. Okay, that is my first question, even though I didn't say it, and I will be here back with my second question shortly. Bye. Hi, this is Toby again, and I'm here with my second question. Okay, so another thing you might have looked at while I was presenting my first question is that this only goes up to 150. It doesn't go beyond 150. So the question is, what are the other prime numbers above 150? So you don't have to go onto your computer and research it right now, because I have already found them. So it's 151, 157, and 163. Now the reason for them being these 3 specific numbers is because these are the next 3 numbers that only have 2 factors. Because like 152, it's the second factor above 150, but it's the second number, not factor. But it is divisible by more than 2 factors. So, or is divisible by more than 2 numbers. So that is why it has to be these 3 certain numbers. Okay, I'll see you shortly with my next question. Bye. Okay, here I'm Toby again. Sorry about the noise. This is my babysitter cleaning. Anyways, I'm back with my third question, and if another thing you might have noticed, I always say that at the beginning, but is that I've come up with a quick way to find out a kind of pattern for finding prime numbers. So take out the first row because it's weird. Then take out the row that ends in 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0, because if it ends in any of those numbers, it's divisible by 2, making it unprime. Same with 5, because if it ends in 5, it's divisible by 5. Okay, now we're left with numbers that end in 1, 3, 7, and 9. Now I haven't found out any pattern besides this, and that these seem to go together because they're separated by 1, and these seem to go together because they're separated by 1, and because this is separated by a big whopping 3. So other than that, I have not found any pattern. I hope you enjoyed this quick observation I have found, and I will be back soon. Bye. Okay, Toby back again, and I'm going to do my 4th observation. So, or my 4th question. And the 4th question I'm going to show you is, see this little 13 right here? The way we filled out the sheet is we took the prime numbers, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, up to 13, and we found all of the multiples for them. Now 13 is kind of sad, because up to 150, obviously, he has not crossed out any of these numbers first. So the question, well, not the question, because, well, what's the next number that he can cross out? So first, not because he's crossed out a bunch of them. So the next multiples of 13 above 150 is 156 and 169. Now 156, it's already been crossed out by 2, so that one doesn't work. But 169 has not been crossed out by 2, 3, 5, 7, or 11. And 13 can cross it out. So that is the first number that 13 crosses out first. Okay, I hope you liked that quick question review, and I will see you shortly next time. Hi, this is Toby once more, and this is the last question that I'm going to answer. Okay, so another observation. If you the red, the blue, the brown, and the green, those crosses out. So 2, 3, 5, and 7 up to 150. Never cross out all of them. Never cross out the same space. So 2, 3, and 5 cross out 60, but 7 doesn't. Same with 70, but 3 doesn't and 7 does. So the answer is, what is the first number that you can cross out with it? So, or that all of them cross out. So let's try 210, because I've tested out all of the other numbers before 210. I've tested all the way up to 209. So let's test 210. It's divisible by 2 because it ends in 0. Same with 5 because it also ends in 0. And that's the rules for those. If you add up all the digits, it equals a multiple of 3. So 3 works as well. Now, 7 goes into 21. And whenever you add a 0 onto the end, it's basically like not changing the number at all. So that basically means that 7 goes into 210. Okay, I am done with all my question reviews. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you. Bye.